Hiligaynon comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives in Hiligaynon are used to compare two people, objects, or situations. These adjectives indicate that one thing has a higher or lower degree of a particular quality than another. Formation of comparative adjectives in Hiligaynon. So in Hiligaynon, comparative adjectives are typically formed using the word mas before the root word. This is similar to how it's done in Filipino or Tagalog. So we have the word matahom, that means beautiful, and it becomes mas matahom, more beautiful. We added the word mas. So you may also see phrases like labausa or labansa, which means better than in informal or conversational contexts to convey a similar comparative meaning. Let us have the following example sentences. Mas matahom si Ana kaysa sa kay Maria. So Ana is more beautiful than Maria. Matahom means beautiful, and then mas matahom is more beautiful. Mas matahom si Ana kaysa sa kay Maria. Ang adobo mas manamit kaysa sa sinigang. So adobo is more delicious than sinigang. So manamit means delicious, mas manamit is more delicious. So ang adobo mas manamit kaysa sa sinigang. Mas mahal ang auto or salakyan ni Pedro kaysa sa akon. So Pedro's car is more expensive than mine. Mahal is expensive, mas mahal is more expensive. An auto or a salakyan is a car. Mas mahal ang salakyan ni Pedro kesa sa akon. Mas manami magbasa si Juan kesa sa iya utod. So Juan is better at reading than his sibling. Mas manami magbasa si Juan kaysa sa iya utod. Basa means to read. And then manami means good, mas manami is like better. Mas madasig ang eroplano kesa sa bus. So the airplane is faster than the bus. So madasig means fast. Mas madasig is faster. An eroplano is an airplane, and a bus or a bus is a bus. Mas madasig ang eroplano kesa sa bus or sa bus. Mas maayo ang panahon subong kesa sa kahapon. So the weather today is better than yesterday. Maayo means good, mas maayo is better. The panahon is the weather. So mas maayo ang panahon subong kesa sa kahapon. Mas malimpyo ang kwarto ni Ana kesa sa akon. So Ana's room is cleaner than mine. Malimpyo is clean, mas malimpyo is cleaner, and then ang kwarto is a room. So mas malimpyo ang kwarto ni Ana kesa sa akon. Mas dako ang ila balay kesa sa amon. So their house is bigger than ours. Dako is big, mas dako is bigger, and then a balay is a house. Mas dako ang ila balay kesa sa amon. Mas malinong diri kesa sa syudad. So it's quieter here than in the city. Malinong means peaceful or quiet. Mas malinong is quieter, more quiet or more peaceful. And then a syudad is a city. So mas malinong diri kesa sa syudad. Mas malayo ang biyahe sang bus kesa sa sang eroplano. So the bus journey is longer than the airplanes. Malayo, that means far. Mas malayo is farther. A biyahe is a journey. So mas malayo ang biyahe sang bus kesa sa sang eroplano. And that is all about this video regarding the Hiligaynon comparative adjectives. I do hope you learned something new from this video. Madamo gid nga salamat, and see you in the next one.